before my eye catches one of you, I wanted to make a small announcement, unofficially though. Somewhere behind where you see our Sergeant at Arms walking, somewhere that side. An honorable member, I'm not too sure if it's an honorable member, but there's a UFO. There's something there that someone has dropped. And everyone is afraid to pick it up. And it has been there from the time we went for health break. Our staff is scared to pick it up. Your foreign object is there. So if you know it's yours, if you know it's yours, do the needful, and let me encourage you not to bring these things in the chamber. Some of us are powered by God, and these things will be dropping in your pockets. So please do the needful and retrieve your foreign object. Otherwise, it is giving our staff necessary pressure, and